everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set the alert for an event in your Samsung Calendar app. Just open the app and find the event. I have already created more of them. Tap on it, for example this one, and then tap here next to this alert button. Now you can select the time of the alert and whether you would like it to be on or off. You can even add the custom time, like 5 hours before. If you are satisfied with your settings, then click on Save. You can always check it, go there. And as you can see, I have created 2 alerts for this event. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.